Now here is my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert here in this second loop. Next, next, so this is my border. So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I yarn over and I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. So I proceed in the next loop. Next, triple crochet. So I'm going to proceed 1, 2, 3. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I proceed triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. You see. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert here with single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert 1, 2, 3. So I'll be inserting in the midpoint here with single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. The midpoint. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert here single crochet, and this is how I'm going to go till I round it up on this row. As you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop, triple crochet, next, next, so right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to insert here with single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I proceed 1, 2, 3. I insert in the second loop, triple crochet, next, triple crochet, next, triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I insert here. So here I will be making 5 triple crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now I'm going to chain 1 and I insert in this next loop with single crochet. I chain 1, I yarn over the hole. In this loop I will be making 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I chain 1, I insert here with single crochet, so I chain another 1, I make 5 triple crochets right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I chain 1, I insert here with single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. I yarn over. I'm going to start. I will skip this. I start from here, the second loop, with triple crochet. Proceed in the next loop. This round marks the beginning of another set. So I proceed 1, 2, 3. So I skip this one and insert here with triple crochet. I proceed in the next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. I proceed 1, 2, 3. I skip this. I move into this next one. Next, triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. I skip this. I move into this. Triple crochet. Next, next. So if you look at it, it's like the something is too tight here. So I may decide to make this 4, 4 instead of 3, 3, so that it will make it free. So instead of 3, 3, I will make it 4, so that it will be free. So I'm going to add 1. I skip this first one. Triple crochet. So if you look at it now, it's a bit free. 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip this. Next, triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip this. I move into triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. next triple crochet. So can you see it's a bit free now? So it doesn't reckon with what I use at the base. So actually I use 3 at the base, but here is 4. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up. So as you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I proceed 1 2 3 3. So it's going to be a repeated exercise. So 1 2 3 4. I'm going to insert here with single crochet. 1 2 3 4. 1 2, the midpoint. You see, 1 2 3 4. Insert here with single crochet. 1 2 3 4. So you see, so this is how I'm going to proceed. If you decide, I can decide to make this chain instead of 4 to be 5. So it depends on how it looks. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this tutorial. You see the pattern. So far so good. I've come to the end of this tutorial and you see the pattern. And you see. So I want to appreciate you all for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much. And if you are yet to subscribe this channel, this is an avenue to quickly click on the subscribe button below and you click on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. So till I come your way again, bye for now. Lest I forget, if you like this video, kindly click on the liking button to appreciate this work. Thank you very much. Bye.